Cambridge as Physics. Unit 3, Dynamics Explaining Motion. Practical experiment, energy and amplitude of a pendulum. In this practical experiment, the student sets up a pendulum in its rest position and then hits it with a marble and measures the amplitude of its first swing. Set up the material as shown in the figure. The angle and the height of the pipe should be set to the specifications given. Adjust the thread in the clamp and clamp the height until the length to the center of the ball is approximately 50 centimeters and the ball is just touching the end of the pipe. Measure this length and record the value in the results table. Place the marble in the top of the pipe so that it rolls down and hits the ball. Repeat this several times, moving the rectangular block closer until the ball just reaches it as it swings. Measure the amplitude of the swing and record the value in the results table. Do recordings to the nearest millimeter.